Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going after yet another Citroën Dyane 6. A Dyane 6 is very similar to a 2CV, shown here. It's just got a little bit different body. Obviously, we already have one of these, Steve's, and it's on the road and driving, and he just can't help himself. There is another one in Anne Arundel County, and now we are going to have probably the only two Dyane 6s in Maryland. Let's get into it.
Oh. That poor old shed.
I think they didn't pick it up and carry it.
How are there two of these things in Anne Arundel County? I just have no idea. It's amazing.
You don't see a lot of these around?
No. Oh.
Does it have an AMC Rambler shift linkage in there?
Still air in some of the tires?
Some air in some of the tires.
Some of the tires.
Yep.
Well, that's encouraging.
Yeah.
This one's pretty bad.
Yeah, but it'll probably pump up.
Yeah.
Yep.
These two seem to be fine.
It held air long enough to roll it a little bit the other day when you were here, right?
Yeah. So how,
Steve, this is narrow enough. We could probably sneak it past that truck.
well, that's what I'm thinking. You see how easy it is to push those loops, but that'll work. All right, now we got a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. See.
So are we going to give it the old heave-ho here?
There are many things that I would like to say to you. So baby, come on and take me home tonight. There are so many things that I would like to say to you. So baby, come on and take me home tonight. Sometimes when I feel lonely, I cry. Sometimes when I feel
Not going anywhere.
I just sit and wonder why.
Not going anywhere.
Sweet.
I would like to say to you, so baby, come on and take me home tonight. There are so many things that I want to say to you, so baby, come on and take me home tonight.
I was a little concerned I may have been seeing smoke coming out of the back here.
Anything's possible.
It's hot to the touch there.
Perfect.
There are many things that I would like to say to you, so baby, come on and take me home tonight. There are many things that I want to say to you, so baby, come on and take me home tonight.
I thought I lost Jim.
No.
It's warm.
Smells warm. It doesn't feel terrible warm. I mean, it's warm. It's not.
Oh, boy.
I wouldn't cook with it.
Well, you got another one.
This is like real engineering at its finest.
Stay there?
Well, we will with
1 week later.
1968 Dyane is apparently, these are, in the United States, these are unobtainium. And there are two of them in Anne Arundel County. And they're both here. All right, so it's been a week. We brought this back and left it here, and in that intervening week, Steve has disassembled the car. You need fuel.
Oh, got it.
Oh yeah, ignition to on. Yep.
Ignition is on.
The light come on?
Is there a light?
Light can come on, not on.
I don't see a light. Where's the light?
Right here.
Oh.
If you don't see it, it's not on.
Okay, it's not on.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me jiggle things.
Oh yep, on.
Yeah, it's the connections down there
Okay, yeah.
are shitty to say the least. Okay. Choke.
What happened?
Running on one cylinder, wasn't it?
No, that was two. That was two.
Try it now.
Clutch isn't working. All right.
Well, it might be just stuck. Try shutting it off, put it in gear, and start it.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
What?
Okay, that's it for A Tale of Two Dyanes. The next time you see this, it's going to be an electric go-kart. Let me know in the comments if we should make an electric go-kart out of a 1968 Citroën Dyane 6. What's left of it? What's left of it? See you next time.
There are many things that I would like to say to you. So baby, come on and take me home tonight. There are many things that I want to say to you.
Hold on.
So baby, come on and take me home tonight.
Almost 30, almost 30.
Baby, come on and take me home tonight. Take me home tonight.